Okay, so this problem says Maria and Farida had 60 beads altogether. After Maria used 18 beads to make a bracelet and Farida gave away 3/5 of her beads, they had the same number of beads left. How many beads did Maria have at first? So to do this question, we're going to make the important sentences different colors. So we're going to make this part of the sentence, they have the same number of beads left. I'm going to make that blue. We'll say Farida gives away 3/5 per beads. We'll make that red. And when Maria uses 18 beads, that will be represented in green. Okay, to do this problem, I'm going to make a table that represents Maria and Farida's beads. Okay, that seems good enough. We'll put Maria and Farida on the table. And now we need a way to represent the number of beads. So first we're going to work on the red sentence, which gives us a clear understanding of how to represent Farida's beads. It says, Farida gave away 3/5 of her beads, meaning for her to have given away 3/5 of her beads, we could represent her beads with fifths. To do that, I'm going to make a square. This square will represent 1/5 of Farida's beads. We have all 5 of her fifths now, and I'm going to make 3 of them red to represent the ones that she gave away, the 3/5 that she has given away. And she's left with 2/5. If Farida is left with 2 squares representing a certain amount of beads, Maria better be left with the same amount. As it said, after they've given away the beads, they have the same amount left. And I'll put plus 18 beads here, since we want to know the original amount of beads that Maria had, and she is given away 18 beads. I'll also make this 18 red to represent that she has given them away. Okay, and now that we have all of that information, we want to figure out the number of beads each square represents. So we know that Maria and Farida had 60 beads altogether. So this red square has to represent 60 beads, because they had 60 beads altogether. So for 60 beads, we have 7 squares and 18 beads. So first what we're going to do is we're going to do 60 minus 18, which is going to be 42. 18 equals 42. Now 42 has to be the amount with all of the squares. So to get the certain number of beads each square represents, we'll take 42 and divide it by 7, since there are 7 squares, which will get us 6. So each square represents 6 beads. And we might as well write it on the next page. We want to know the original amount of beads that Maria had. So she had 2 squares. So it's 2 times 6 is 12 plus 18. So she had 30 beads. And so the question says we want to know how many beads Maria originally had. We can write Maria originally had 30 beads.